Guys, I'm Nguyen. Welcome to the first episode of From the Farm to the Table. Today I'm going to talk about egg fried mugwort or 艾草炒蛋. If you like what I do, please like my video and subscribe to my channel. That is my best motivation. I grow mugwort in my community garden in Choa Chu Kang Park. They grow wild in the plot passageway. The bed is planted with kangkong. The mugwort grows in between the tufts. They are just like weeds. They are super easy to grow and low maintenance. If the plant is allowed to grow, it will grow up to 1.5 meters, which will turn woody when come to that maturity. The leaves have a special smell. The mosquito don't like this, so that it is protecting me from the mosquito in the farm. Let's pluck some young shoot, and go home and cook it. I like the young one because it's more mild. So then the kids also do not mind, and they don't know actually they are eating the mugwort. Now we are in the kitchen, so let's get cooking. Today I chop up some mugwort, 3 eggs, and chop up some garlics.
Heat up the wok, add in some oil.
While the oil is heating up, let's talk about mugwort. In Japan, mugwort is used as a coloring agent for rice dumpling.
Until the garlic is fragrant. Then add in the veggie.
Mugwort could be eaten raw or cooked. For my cooking, I use the young leaf so that it will not taste bitter. Let me use a bit of Chinese. 艾草味苦性温，功效呢能够温经、祛湿、散寒、止血、消炎。According to folk medicine, the herb can be used to remove worms in the intestine and to improve blood circulation. Mugwort has been used in many traditions and in different regions around the world. For more usage of mugwort, you can Google it, or you may want to visit NTAP website talking about how to grow and how to plant and how to use mugwort. I'll put the link to the NTAP website in the description down below. Feel free to check it out. It's time to pour in the egg. Now that we have poured in the egg, so the next stage is to wait for the egg to solidify. So it will take around 15 seconds. So I actually swirl the liquid egg around so that it will not be cluttered at one place. Now that the egg is half hardened, it's time to flip it around and to do some mixture. We do not want to overcook the egg so that it will not be too hard. So this process will just take a couple of seconds, say 10 seconds or so. So the actual cooking is only 2 minutes after we have added in the eggs. Now we are ready to serve it up. There's already a plate, and I'm going to pour it into the plate that I have gotten ready. There you have it, our egg fried mugwort. 新鲜的艾草炒蛋完成喽! If you like what I do, please like and share my video. Please also subscribe to my channel and hit the notification button. Comment down below if you have tried the recipe, or you may have other way to prepare the mugwort. See you again in the next episode, fresh from the farm. Bye.